Hello, everyone, and welcome all to this power pack session on how to grow your English vocabulary in a way that actually works. Today, I'm not going to tell you to memorize any word list or read the dictionary because, let's be honest, it never helped in school, right? So, raise your hand if you have ever tried to memorize 20 words a day and forget them all within few days. Exactly. So today we will talk about a method your brain actually loves, a practical, relatable way to grow your vocabulary and become a confident speaker. We've been taught that if you want to speak English fluently, you need to learn thousands of words. But let me give you a fact. You only need 3 to 5,000 words to speak English fluently in daily life. Do you know how many words there are in English? Over 7.5 lakh. Even native speakers don't know them all. Then why are we pressurizing ourselves? Think for once. So the fact is, fluency is not about how difficult the words are, it's about how frequently you use them. You already know some English. Let me tell you something interesting. You already know and use a lot of English words in your Hindi sentences without even realizing it. Let me give you examples: cup, plate, glass, car, bike, mobile, school, teacher, fan, AC, TV, camera, and so many. You have never memorized these, but you have been using them daily. Why? Because they are part of your life. So the point is, this is the only natural way your brain picks up words by usage, not mugging up. Now you may ask, if I already know some words, why can't I speak fluently? Because you are still focusing on remembering some words like benevolent, pseudonym, melancholy, serendipity. Words which sound fancy but are rarely used in daily life. Let me give you some more examples with their simple meanings. Obfuscate, meaning to confuse. Loquacious, talkative. Ephemeral, short lived. Pernicious, meaning harmful. I'm not saying these words are useless. I'm just saying they are not your priority right now. First, master the words you will actually speak, then you can focus on some advanced ones. Getting my point? So, here's the real technique: learn vocabulary through sentences and situations. And let me give you some steps to follow. Step number one: use daily life situations in kitchen, classroom, market, while traveling. Okay. Step number two: learn at least 10 to 20 new sentences per day. Okay. Then step number three: replace Hindi with English in those moments. Then step number four: keep repeating those in daily life because usage is equal to memory. Then step number five: write them down and speak them aloud. Okay. For example, if I say in Hindi, मैं पानी पीने जा रहा हूँ, replace with English. Okay. I am going to drink water. Learn this sentence, not just the word drink or water alone. Okay. Now, what if you hear a new word while watching a movie or listening to a podcast? So, for that also, let me give you some steps to follow. Step number one, pause it and try to understand the sentence. Then, step number two, repeat the sentence aloud. Then, go for step number three, use that word in at least 2 to 3 sentences of your own. Then, go for step number four, try using it once the next day. It will stay forever with you. For example, if you get to hear she is extremely punctual, use it. Make your own sentence. Like, my teacher is very punctual, my brother is very punctual, my mother is very punctual. So you also can become punctual. Getting my point? Vocabulary is not a memory game. Clear this thing first. It's a usage game. Very simple thing. The more you use it, the more it becomes yours. My key message through this video is very simple. Don't try to learn 5,000 words at once. Just focus on learning and using at least 10 to 20 words daily. Within few months, you will become unstoppable. So let me end this on a note. आज से इंग्लिश सिर्फ एक सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, एक जुबान है. So use it, speak it and live it. I'll see you soon.